I'm Gomantak from Standard 8 and I'm a big fan of FIFA World Cup. As 48 nations battle it out across North America, in this year the energy in our school is higher than ever. There are various FIFA-related activities being held in our school, like predicting the FIFA World Cup winner and answering the quizzes about players, etc. My favorite team is Spain because of its brilliant passing, teamwork, etc. My favorite player is Lamine Yamal because he's too good at dribbling. I'm unable to watch all the matches, but our PE sir gives us updates every morning. I hope that this time Spain takes the World Cup home. Vamos España!
I am Prensha Mendes, the Red House Vice Commander, and I am a proud supporter of Brazil. My favorite football player is Neymar, as he inspires millions of fans with his incredible skills, creativity, and passion towards football. If this is truly his last year for the FIFA World Cup, it will be a sad moment for all Brazil supporters. I like Brazil because it is a hardworking team and it shows determination, teamwork, and fighting spirit for what Brazil is famous for. I would like to see Neymar playing for this team, and it would be good if they win the FIFA World Cup, and I would like if Neymar gets a good farewell by helping Brazil to lift up the World Cup trophy. Thank you.
My name is Noah Costa, the Yellow House Vice Commander of St.Jude High School. I proudly support Portugal because of their playing style and especially because of Cristiano Ronaldo. I hope that they win against Croatia this Friday as to honor Diego Jota, who sadly passed away on that day last year. One of the players who will hold a special place in the hearts of us Portuguese supporters. He will always be remembered in the hearts of us. As students, we can't watch every match live, though we still continue to support our team through every match.